Hi, welcome to Bruce's Garage. I'm Bruce and this is my garage. Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the Poka Premium Pro wheel stand and cart. Watch my unboxing, assembly, and my first impressions and how I plan to use this. So come on in the garage and let's have some fun. As soon as my wheel stand arrived, I immediately went right outside to grab the boxes because I was really excited about getting these items in and seeing how it's going to help me protect and coat my wheels. I was a little surprised at first. The packages were kind of damaged from shipping, and so I was a little worried what I was going to find on the inside. Fortunately, things were packaged super well. I just want to remind you also, this is not a sponsored video. I've purchased everything on my own. I did provide Poka Premium some feedback, and so I'll talk about that feedback and what they responded with in just a couple minutes here. But as I unboxed it, again, I was super impressed with everything that was packaged extremely well. There was not a piece of metal that was not protected by shrink wrap. Everything just packaged super well. So interesting here. It says important information. The protective coat is resistant to moderate watering. Please keep in mind that if the protective layer is damaged, the steel may corrode. Therefore, we do not recommend filling the stand with water abundantly, and after each possible flooding, it should be thoroughly dried. The wheel stand is made from steel. The manufacturer is not responsible for damage to the rims. I was pretty surprised by these statements because I felt like if the stand can't withstand water, how is it going to hold up to chemicals? But that was some of the feedback I gave to Poka Premium, and you'll hear about their response in a minute. The assembly went fairly well. The instructions were pretty sparse. No step-by-step, no what tools you need. So that was a little disappointing, but the stand looks really good put together with the cart. It secures to the cart, which I really like, so it actually screws on there. You can see the rollers there are pretty heavy duty. They are stainless steel bolts there, so again, should be water resistant. All secured really well. The casters concerned me a little bit. Not the size. The size looked pretty decent, but there's no brakes on those casters, and my driveway is a bit sloped, so I was a little concerned about whether the stand is going to hold still, and we won't know until I begin to use it. But overall, I would tell you this thing seems very durable, very sturdy, extremely well built, and I was really impressed. So overall, from a positive standpoint, seems really well built. Again, packaging, I give them an A+. I think they just did an awesome job. In the assembly, albeit the instructions really kind of stunk, was still fairly easy to assemble. So I'll consider that a real positive, no doubt there. On the concern side, again, as I mentioned, no brakes on the casters. The instructions were pretty poor. And I was worried about this durability to the chemicals, but here's my update from Poka Premium. I immediately sent Poka Premium an email asking them about the durability and giving them feedback about the instructions. They responded very promptly and assured me that it had been thoroughly tested for durability with all chemicals and that they were going to update their instructions. So I'm feeling really good about the Poka Premium product. I think, again, it's extremely well built. I appreciated their response, and I'm looking forward to using the tool when I coat my wheels to protect them. I appreciate you coming by the garage today to look at the Poka Premium Pro wheel stand with me. I hope you found it helpful. I'd appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. I am looking forward to using the wheel stand. As I mentioned, I'm going to be cleaning and ceramic coating all the wheels on our two vehicles. So I again appreciate your time today. I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll check out the Poka Premium wheel stand. Have a good day.